to get him coming out the tunnel. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, I'll park that one up. That one will get parked, and then she'll go into the inline, and then I'll put another one